So this is my 2016 Mazda 3 hatchback, as you can see. So far, mods that I have done, not mods, but stuff that I've done to it. When tints, there's a video I'll be posting soon about when I got them tints, the before and after. Cork sport, it's exhaust, just the mufflers. I have the whole cat bed, but it was like too loud. I don't know. I'll explain it later. And I debadged it, and I did like a carbon. I wrapped it in carbon. So the next one probably gonna be to do like a blackout. I already said on the other video. So all this silver trim, like badges and all the silver trim over there, it's gonna go on black. And the one on the front of the fog lights. Well, like I told you guys, there's a little bit coming up for the car, and also maybe I'm gonna have an intake. So I'm probably gonna be doing a video about installing the new intake, all like performance mod. I'm gonna do it through Cork Sport. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys gonna see the other hatchback that I had. I'm planning to do something like that one. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, I'm gonna post the link down in the description, or at the end of the video is gonna be my username. You guys follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see the other two cars that I had before. So my first car I had, it was a Mazda RX-8. I don't know, probably like I'm a Mazda guy, but if I get another car, it's not gonna be a Mazda. So yeah, so you're gonna see my Mazda RX-8 and my 2014 Mazda 3 hatchback, and now it's gonna be this one now. Oh yes, about the exhaust system. So I originally had the 80mm cat bed exhaust from Cork Sport. Every time I was on like cruising on the highway, or like I don't know, like when you step on the pedal, it would get like so much vibration. So for me, it was like kind of annoying. So I just put my catalytic converter back, the stock one, and I just kept the axle back. So as right now, I only have the 80mm axle back exhaust system from Cork Sport. I almost forgot about that. So yeah, I always do the intake first, but since like I already had the exhaust system from my previous Mazda 3, so I just put it back. I just put it on this one. So if I decide to get more like performance on the car, so I might put it back. I don't know yet. Okay. So stay tuned for all the upcoming videos I'm gonna be making. All the mods is gonna be done to the car. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.